In yesterday's update, there was a clear-cut level that below 71.3, 71.4, there could be further drop. And in the evening update with the US session also, we had been looking at those levels. What a wonderful crash it has seen today with the market open. It went below 64 levels amazingly, but then has shown a very good recovery. At the same time, net gas has dropped, but then now stable at 2.22, 2.23 zone. It failed to drop, sustain the lower levels and bounce back. Now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel for market updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first to look into crude, US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. And if you look at the early, now see, firstly on the early charts, this is certainly a good resistance zone, 69.2 levels. And yes, any point of time, if you see it trading above 70, that should be the call for a reversal, beyond which we can look forward to this zone. But see, if you look closely what it is trying to do, it is trying to create this channel. This is a bearish channel, and hence any move above 70 should be a good call for you to buy. Right now, so it is trading with restriction at 68.6, but I will recommend you to buy at 69.2 and then wait for it to break past 70 levels in order to confirm the rise. Stochastic is certainly overbought here, but look at the MACD. This is crossed over at bottom and it is trying to trade bullish from here, and it may show you recovery. Now see, these are the extreme levels which oil has seen in the recent times, so possibly there could be a recovery. See, RSI was also oversold. It has recovered from the oversold zone. Now look at 2-hour chart. See, certainly the bigger tail here on this candle indicates that the prices failed to stay at lower levels, and the smaller body indicates that there was a reversal which is done. See here, it has almost formed a symmetry. It has come back to these levels. Now if you still look at this, see, the candle size here is very small, and hence right now the bulls are finding it difficult to trade it higher, and hence once you see it above 69.2, you can buy and expect it to hit 70 levels, and if it stays above 70, further bullishness will be observed there. Now looking at it closely, you will find, see, eliminate this tail and you will find that there could be a little pullback, and if it stays above 70, then only confirm that it is trying to reverse. Stochastic back to overbought. See the MACD crossing over here at bottom, and this is at good lower levels close to minus 150, 200. Stochastic RSI here is extremely oversold and trying to recover. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now see, interestingly, oil has breached the previous lows at 65 and now it is trying to recover here. And also remember, see, one green candle, there is a very good probability that we may see a second green candle. However, it needs to stay above 70 in order to confirm the further rise. Yes, you can buy at 69.2 and then only we can expect 69.5, 70, and then beyond that, sky is the limit. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD is extremely bearish here, trying to converge. RSI is oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour, now on the 4-hour chart, see lower highs. And this indicates that the price is not willing to stay bullish, but at the same time, if it stays above 69.2, 69.5 levels, then only, or rather 70 levels, that is the reversal indication that if it stays above 70, we are going to look forward to a very good rise. Stochastic was oversold, trying to recover. MACD is extremely bearish and at bottom, and see, it has achieved minus 200. There could be a possibility of a recovery. RSI is still trading oversold on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, the new candle, that fresh candle on this chart is yet to begin. The smaller the body, bigger the tail, indicates that the prices failed to stay at lower levels and the buyers have come in, which indicates that there could be a possible green candle which might in fact take it till towards 71, 72 zone. That is yesterday's open levels. It can try to take it till towards here. Then you can buy here at 69.2 and stay long, wait for it to break past 70, and then 71.2, 71.8, 72 levels are going to be the next targets. The stochastic at bottom, MACD is still divergent and bearish, and yes, if it stays below 68, that is the level below which I will recommend you to sell again. And if it stays below 68, 67.2, 66.6, 65 levels are the next target. Stochastic, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bearish, but at the same time it has achieved the bottom of this cycle, so possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. RSI is again at bottom. Considering this, buy at 69.2, sell at 68.2. For this $1, do not take any trade. On the downside, be careful till 67 levels, and then below that further bearishness will escalate and it can try to take it again below 65 levels. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, wait for it to break past 70, which will try to pull it till towards 72 levels then. So trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch 22. The batch starts now in first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, you can benefit. Now look at net gas on the hourly chart. See, once again I am saying triple bottom. After the triple bottom, it is just retracing here. This is still in the bullish channel. And as I said, till 2.06 levels, I will not consider this as bearish. Also, you can see the body size here is very small. The tail is big, and hence once it stays above 2.25, you can again buy, but then wait for it to break past 2.3 and then it is going to reverse from there. It should be considered for a good reversal. If it stays above 2.3, we can see a potential rise. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to cross over for a sell. RSI is also trying to look downwards on the daily charts. Now look at the hourly chart. See, on the hourly charts, here is a reversal, retracement, again a retracement, and again looking upwards. So you can buy about 2.25, wait for 2.8, 2.3 levels to breach, and then it is going to stay bullish from there. Stochastic is overbought, remember. Hence, just exercise a little caution. Yes, certainly 2.25 levels is the level beyond which more bullishness may be observed. But look at MACD. This is crossed over at a bottom, trying to rise from here. It can try to exercise bullishness from there. RSI has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable now. Look at the 2-hour charts. See the rise. First of all, a reversal sign here, lower highs, and then after the drop it is trying to look upwards again. Yes, if it stays about 2.25 levels, then only further bullishness still towards 2.28, and breaking beyond 2.28, just stay long. Beyond that we can see 2.3, 2.35 levels. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD on the 2-hour charts has crossed over at the bottom, trying to recover here, trying to rise from here. It has seen sufficiently lower levels. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see a good tail is formed. Wait for it to break past 2.25. Rather, I will say 2.24 itself you can buy. Expect 2.26, 2.28, 2.3. Once 2.3 is breached, further bullishness will be seen. Stochastic rising, MACD at bottom and with bearish trying to converge. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it is open flat. And hence, in fact, 2.24 levels itself you can buy, and then expect 2.26, 2.28, 3 levels. Beyond 2.3, further bullishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI at bottom. Now look at the daily chart. Already we have seen that it is trying to close with a smaller body, and hence there could be a greener candle which might bring the prices up, which might pull the prices up, and then it can head for 2.35, 2.4 levels also. To take your trades accordingly, you can buy here at 2.34, 2.24 and sell at 2.2 levels. Below 2.2, there could be a retracement till towards 2.16, very good support. And if it breaks below 2.16, 2.1, 2.06 levels, but then remember 2.06 is a very good support. Only and only if it trades below 2.06, it should be considered bearish, as this is a retracement and it can potentially bounce back. And when I say a retracement, you can already see why do I say so. Triple bottom is seen, higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen, and hence the bottom is done. There is a potential for recovery from here. Hence you should exercise caution while taking the sell entry till 2.15 levels. Possibility of a bounce back still exists. And take your trades accordingly. You can sell accordingly and buy accordingly. There are good enough trading hours available in front of us, and hence you should exercise extra caution. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. You can join my mentorship batch. You can join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Trade accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Also remember one key point. It is important to preserve your capital, and hence trade with a trailing stop loss always. It is for your help. Stop loss is also for your help. It can show you good things which can take your every capital, your entire margin. It can wash off your account in a single candle, like what has happened with the oil and gold today. It has seen extreme bullishness and then has dropped since then, and hence stop loss is important. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.